Hello everyone. Welcome to my very first gacha video. Today is the day of Buster Bros Alternative Street event. Also the banner. Rain, fine later, Buster Bros edition. Poke poke. Better come home earlier. As you can see, I'm going to pull for Ichiro. But I also want JIRO so bad. His illustration is too good. I love it. I always grinding every day and I just pull for Ichiro. So here's my savings. It can spark up to 2 banners. I'm F2P by the way. Yes, my luck is not always good in this game. So I just can only prepared for the worst. Let me take a screenshot first. Anyway, I also pretty prepared for the 3rd anniversary on March 26th. I want to record a video for that too. I hope I don't have to spark for this banner. I don't want to be poor anymore. RNG please. Look at him. He is so cute even when he just stare to the window. Well, let's just pull the single ticket first. I'm gonna speed up because it's a boring single ticket. Oh hello babe. Is this a sign that you will come home faster? Also there is JIRO in the first ticket. Alright, let's do 10 pull. Oh, long loading. Or it's just my bad internet. Whoa, 5S up. Please, flip, 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 flip. Oh yes. Oh my god, it's him. Hello my beloved JIRO. Thanks for coming home. Apparently your presence in the first ticket is really a sign. Huh. Thank you. Oh my name is JIRO, you know my stilo. What? It's my babe. He's here too. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I didn't expect this. It's like a dream. Last time I get my dream card in 10 pull is like 5 months ago. Thanks to RNG God. My bad luck in Twisted Wonderland and Ensemble Stars pulls are paid off in this game, my main game. I'm so happy that my savings for third anniversary is safe. And I'm happy to have all of your cards, my beloved Ichiro. Well, let's change our home screen with the new card. That's all, an unexpected short gacha pulls. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on my next video on March. I hope so. Goodbye.